Welcome to the Evo 4 initial video tutorial. So we've just added this support desk link here. One thing I'd like to show you, that if you scroll your browser in, these links disappear. So if you don't see them, make sure your browser is wide enough and they will be revealed. You can access the video tutorials by clicking here. Here you'll see this video tutorial, and soon there will be Bradley Benner's video tutorials in there as well. So let's start, create a new project, and this will be, the project name is what you see inside this platform. Now you can, here you've got the instructions, you can use Spintax. So what's your title going to be about? Let's discover some keywords using the OpenAI ChatGPT 3.5 API. So let's do this and search for some keywords. This is exactly how long it takes. So we've got these keywords here. You can go deeper. Maybe you like this one, so we'll go deeper there. Okay, I like that keyword, so I'll use that as the main keyword phrase, and then in Spintax I will put these other keywords, and then you put pipe, another keyword, another pipe, and it's one more keyword. You can put as many keywords in the Spintax as you like. Emergency roof repairs are always a good term, but that'll do for this demonstration. And then the close bracket. So the page description, I will just put that for now. What's important to note is that you cannot press the next button until all these fields are completed. Your main keyword, we'll use emergency roof repair. Let's put this link in for now. Now you've got to wait for that to validate. When you put a URL in there, the Evo 4 will check to make sure that that link is legit. So now these keywords here, these are the internal links we use to link up the sites that are created. So these are the anchor texts that link these sites together. So now all those fields are completed, you can click on next. Now this brings us to our WYSIWYG editor. So your typical WYSIWYG editor, it's got all these features up the top, so you can create, do anything you like with your content. But for now we'll go to an article, and the instruction set we use is pretty much guaranteed to give out article content that would be 90% human unique, though I'll show you how we make it 100% in a sec. So this is how long it takes to get an article from ChatGPT 3.5 by OpenAI. So there is the article content. What we do now is click on the Spintax button, and then that will add Spintax to all of the article content, which is awesome. That means each time Evo 4 produces a new website, it will have a different version of this article on that website compared to the one it creates next and next and next. So each of these sites that are created have unique article content on them, all based on the same theme, which in this case is roof repairs. All the sites are linked together using the keyword phrases that you added previously on the previous window. So now we want some image content. So we go to the AI images button, and we'll just use that, and it will go out and discover and create a unique AI image based on that keyword phrase you put in there, and there it is. That's perfect. So we've got two links down here. Well, this one's a link. This is a link created by the AI engine, but we don't know how long that's going to last, how long they might purge those images in a month or so. So what we've done is converted this image into base 64 code. So you copy that, go back to your article, we go to the image icon, and we paste that base 64 code in there, and there it is. Thank you very much. So I'll just push it down there, grab the article content, Control A and Control C. Now I press Control V, and then that pastes that in there. Now if you click on over here, this shows you the source. I'll just bring that up, and in the source you'll see the base 64 of this image. So this image is hosted within this actual web page itself, and you'll see it now. That's the article content with Spintax, and this here is all the base 64. That is that image converted to base 64 code. So very, very cool. So that's done. Now we click next. Now that brings up our linking structures. So this linking structure here is perfect to add a ton of DR to your money site. This one here will certainly rank for your terms, plus it will supply a ton of relevance to your money site. Bradley will go into more detail in this, so for this one I'll just select this and click next. Here is where these are our bucket sites, so I'll put that one there, put that one there. You get the idea. I'll just do that for now and click finish. Now this gives us an overview of our project, and that is the source code of the article, the description, the page we're linking, the URL we're linking to, the main keyword phrase, and you click on Start Job. Boom, that's it. Now that what we see here is a completed task. Now when you enter a job, it goes into the queue. So we have our bots running in the background, and your job is placed into a queue. You can refresh this page to see when it's there. It is, it's in the queue. Perfect. So once that's complete, that will go from here down to here. That will be completed. In other words, once the job's been picked up by our services and been completed, it will go from here down to here and turn green. Now, can you add another project? You sure can. While it's in the queue, you can do another project straight away, and then have them all queued up. Now, let's talk about indexing. These bucket sites that we use all have sitemaps, which we have indexed, and so over time, if you do nothing, over time these sites will get indexed on their own, but we can't guarantee how long that will be. So we are adding the Index Me Now API into Evo 4. That should be done today, tomorrow, or the next day, and all that means is you go to indexmenow.com. There'll be a link here where you can click on it to register, join there, and get your unique API key. You enter the key into Evo 4, and then every site that is created will go into your Index Me Now account and be indexed within, typically it's about 12 hours. that's what I recommend everyone does, and it will be very smooth sailing from there. So there you go, that's how simple it is to use this product. And if you have any questions, click on the support desk link there, and Colin Shell will help you out with any support you need.